right, looks like a good RII test on the Chester. Who thinks the Chesterlade is going to be your fast qualifier? He's going to stage up to the line. Look for the lights to go from red to green. The lights down there by the finish line. That's what the drivers are looking at. Drivers actually cannot turn their heads side to side when they're belted improperly, so the light has to be right in front of them. Here we go with qualifying. We have quick time of the weekend because this track is so much faster. 4:33 the time for the Chester. But coming up to the track next, the wily and cagey veteran from Maryland. This is Tim Mente in Storm Damage. What do you say, Chevrolet? Who thinks the square body Storm Damage is going to take it all? Guy's been around a long, long time. Specializes in very dangerous tree removal services when he's not monster trucking. Does a great job removing unwanted trees and Storm Damage had to beat 4:33. Tim Mente a little bit more aggressive off the start line, runs a 4:02, 4:02 for the big Chevy. Storm Damage. All right, coming up to the line. We just had a Chevy. Where are my Ford fans at? Coming up to the line, this is Corey Snyder in Toxic. One of the newest trucks in the world. Built by the Metal Shop out of Maryland. Very big horsepower, very good working truck. Wait till freestyle, you're going to see this thing really work. But he is no slouch in racing. Let's see what Corey Snyder can do in qualifying. Very fast, very dry track, but wheel speed is still a factor. You got a little bit too much of it on the start line, it looks like. Toxic run a 4:44, 4.44 seconds for Corey Snyder in Toxic. But coming up to the line, a guy that could take it all tonight, the only one that could sweep it, because he was your winner in Best Trick. This is Brandon Budd in the Buckshot. Looks like the key to this race might be no man's land. If you're settled down after the first jump, you're going to be able to put the power down to no man's land and take to the final jump. Buckshot, a very fast truck, lots and lots of power. However, just a little bit slower today. Coming up next to the line from North Carolina, this is Michael Hicks in Quad Chaos. Who thinks Quad Chaos is going to be your number one qualifier? Quad Chaos had to beat a 4:02. He runs a 4:05, number 2 in qualifying. That means your fast qualifier is the square body Chevy Tim Mente and Storm Damage.